this video we will discuss 12th program. It says write a program in Java to accept a number from user and check whether it is a buzz number or not. Definition of buzz number says a buzz number is a number that ends with 7 and divisible by 7. This means the numbers like 77 is a buzz number because it is ending with 7, the last digit is 7. Or we can say 127 is a buzz number because the last digit is, it ends with 7. 49 is a buzz number because it is divisible by 7. 35 is a buzz number because it is divisible by 7. So such numbers are known as buzz numbers. So let us create a program to check whether the particular number is buzz or not. So now let us name this program as buzz number, and now user will enter any number. So definitely and number will be an integer, so we will use here a data type int, and here we will use one variable number. Now it is asked that user will enter a number and we have to check whether it is buzz or not. So if, now what is the condition? That if number is divisible, by 7. So a number is, if number is said to be divisible if it leaves the remainder 0. In mathematics, as we have studied, that a number is said to be divisible if it leaves the remainder 0. If it's if remainder is 0, we will say number is divisible. So in programming language, Java programming language, we have one operator, modulus. This one, percentage symbol, this is called modulus operator. This is used to get the remainder as a result. So what we will do, we will use here this number variable will store the number entered by the user. So we will check that if number is number, this modulus operator, what it does, it divides the number and it returns the remainder. So we are going to divide our number by 7, and if this number mod 7, if it gives 0 as remainder, now remember this modulus operator returns, or it results in remainder. It will divide whatever value this number variable will store, that will be divided by 7 because of this operator, that is modulus, and it will result, this will result in remainder. So whatever is the remainder, that will be returned here. So definitely if we number store in this variable, if it is divisible by 7, then it will, here value will be 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So this relational operator will result in true. Now this is the first, divisibility. Next is if it ends. So now ends means, now we will use here two parallel lines, that is, this is logical OR operator. And logical OR operator says that if any one of the condition is true, then the statement, this logical OR operator will result in true. So we will use one more because there is another condition, that a number is said to be buzz number if it ends with 7. So how we will check that particular number ends with 7 or not? So let me show you. If we divide any number, by 10, let us divide this 123 by 10. So if we divide it by 10, then definitely after dividing it, we will check out that we will get the last digit as remainder. If we divide any number by 10, remember this, the last digit will be its remainder. If I divide 12 by 10, then remainder will be definitely 2. You can check it out. If we divide any number by 10, the last digit will be the remainder. So we will use this concept for finding out the last digit, whether last digit is 7 or not. So how? we will divide the number that user will enter in this variable. Okay, user will store, okay, will enter, and that will get stored in this variable number. If we divide this with modulus operator by using 10, and if it leaves the remainder 7, then we will say that it is a buzz number. So this is the second test condition. It says if number is divisible by, this is for divisibility, that if number is divisible by 7, it will leave the remainder 0. This modulus operator return remainder. So here 0 will be returned. So 0 is equal to 0. We are comparing here equality, and this is logical OR operator. And if number mod, this modulus will divide the number stored in this variable with 10, and if we divide, as we have told you, if we divide any number by 10, the last digit will be the remainder, and this means the end digit of the number will be 7. We are checking here equality 7. So if the remainder return is 7, so 7 is equivalent to 7, then we will say it is a buzz number. This is the logic. Now if any one of the condition, logical OR operator says that if any, these are the two test conditions, if any one of the test condition result in true, then this logical OR will result in true value, boolean value. Okay, so if logical OR will result in true, then this statement will be executed. Okay, so we will print that buzz number. Okay, buzz number. And if this results in false, then we will use here else. If it is false, then else part will be executed, and in the else we will display system.out print not a buzz number, entered number is not a buzz number. Okay, not a buzz number. Let us change the wording little bit. Entered number is a buzz number. Okay, I will copy this. Enter number is not a buzz number. Now we will click on compile. Okay, terminator is missing here, semicolon, the terminator, statement terminator, and we will click on compile. It says class compile, no syntax error. We will click on close, and then we will right click on this class icon, and we will click on this option void main int number. Now since we have passed here one argument, that is int number, so we have to enter here integer type of value. So first I am going to enter here 49. So 49 will get stored in this variable, that is number. Now 49 is divisible. 49 is divisible by, okay, 49 is divisible by 7, so definitely it will leave the remainder 0. Okay, so 49 is a buzz number. So if I click on OK, it will says enter number is buzz number. Let us check it out another number. Now I am going to enter here 17. So 17 ends with 7. At the last, we can see the digit is 7, last digit is 7 in the number 17. So this is a buzz number. So if we click on OK, it says enter number is buzz number. If we enter here number 11, so 11 is not a buzz number, neither it ends with 7 nor it is divisible by 7. So if we click on OK, so you can see it says enter number is not a buzz number. So this is how it says. Okay, so let us check it out, that how it is working with the help of an example here. If user enter here 49, then this 49 is stored in this variable number, and here will be what, 49 here, 49 mod 7. So 49 mod 7, okay, this will result in what, 0, because this operator results in remainder. If we divide 49 by 7, here we will get 0. So 0 is equivalent to 0. Yes, it's true. So this relational operator will result in true value. So here will be what, true. And after that there is a logical OR operator, this one, and number is what? 49. 49 modulus operators 10. If we divide 49 by 10, remainder will be 9. So here will be what? 9 will be there. 9 is equivalent to equal to 7? No. So here it will return false. But this logical OR operator says if any one of the test condition results in true, then this logical OR will also result in true. So this is the reason this here what will be returned? True, because this statement is, this condition is resulting in true value. So this logical OR will also return true value, and here the final resultant value will be true. So this statement will be executed. If this test condition, okay, for 11, what will happen? Here false will be returned because 11 is not divisible by 7, okay, and 11 is neither ending with 7. If we divide 11 by 10, remainder will be 1. So 1 is not equal to 7. Okay, 1 is equal to 7. This will return false. So in both test conditions, the final value that is returned is false. So this logical OR will result in false. Since none of the condition is resulting in true value, so this logical OR will also return in false value, and this if will not execute. Compiler control will shift to this else part, and this else part will be executed. Remember, this else part will be executed only if the test condition of if statement becomes false. So test condition of this if statement is false, so this is the reason in case of 11, so else part will be executed. So this completes the explanation of, okay, this program, that is buzz number.